Hello, families. This summer, OKCPS is proud to offer a variety of learning options for OKCPS students who will be going into pre-K through 12th grade for next school year. These opportunities aim to keep our students engaged in learning even during the summer months. If you navigate to the district's website, you can either visit the URL www.okcps.org/summerlearning, or you can go to our main page, check this banner, and click to learn more. When you arrive to the website, you will see some general information about what OKCPS is offering this summer. Enrichment, which is accessible to all families in two different ways. One way is through Canvas and one way is through in-person. We'll talk about that a little bit more in a minute. Enhancement, which was an invitation only for students who will attend in person and receive focused instruction on English language arts and math. This also allows our high school students to work on credit recovery. Another option is our athletics department will host individual sports camps and strength conditioning clinics at each high school for students who will be going into grades 6 through 12 for the next school year. And last but certainly not least, we're excited to help connect our families and students with opportunities to attend other summer camps and activities through some of our amazing community partners. If you scroll down a little bit more on our site, you'll be able to see these 4 buttons here, showcasing those 4 things that I just mentioned. Before we click in to learn a little bit more about each one, I wanted to let you know that we will provide meals for any students who attend any of our in-person summer learning opportunities, as well as offering curbside meal service to all families at all of our summer learning locations. And I'll give you some more details about that in just a minute. So our enrichment opportunities are just for fun, and this is for all students. So if you click this green button, it takes you to our enrichment page. This gives our students several different options to engage in learning over the summer. You can jump into Canvas, which is virtual and on your own. This allows our students to complete activities that will be loaded into Canvas, which is the platform that they've been using throughout this school year. You can click on this, learn a little bit more about this specific option. The next thing is jump into reading, which is our Read OKC Summer Reading Challenge. And this reading challenge will go from May 27th to August 8th, so it's the entire summer. The students are challenged to read for 20 minutes a day, every day this summer. You can click on this button right here. It will give you more details about jump into reading. You can also click here on our Read OKC page, and it will give you all the specifics of how to log in to access Beanstalk, where you can log your minutes. And there's also a way to download a paper log here. So we're going to go back to our other options. So these 2 options here are our STEAM options. You'll see that there's option for pre-K through 4th grade, so our elementary students, and also our 5th through 12th grade students, which is our secondary students, middle and high school students. These 2 options are limited to the first 150 students who sign up per site per session. So let's click into elementary and let me show you what I mean. This in-person opportunity is going to be hosted at Britton Elementary. There are 2 sessions. Session 1 is June 7th through June 24th, and second session is July 6th through July 22nd. This is a sample schedule of what our students will be participating in during that time. Classes will start at 8:30, release at 12:30. There's a grab and go lunch available as students leave. They'll also be served breakfast as a part of that first part of the day. Again, this is limited to the first 150 students per session who sign up. So that means 150 for this first session, and then 150 for our second session. This does require a sign up. So if you are interested in this, you'll click the sign up. It'll take you to a Google form, and you'll just navigate through this form, make sure you fill it out completely, And once you've done that, you'll get notification that your form has been received and if your child has been accepted into that program. If we go back here just a little bit, the same option for our 5th through 12th grade students. It's the same dates for the sessions. This one, however, is at U.S. Grant High School. Their schedule is a tiny bit different. Again, limited to the first 150 students per session, and it also requires a sign up, which you can do right here. All right, so if I go back to our main summer learning, now you guys know about the options for enrichment. Enhancement, like I mentioned, was invitation only and focused support for our students who need that. If your student was invited and you would like to learn more, you can click in here and it will give you those details of when the dates, times, locations, and additional information. Also on this page, you will find information about high school credit recovery. Students who are interested in doing that should have signed up with their counselor. If you have questions about any of these options, feel free to connect with your child's school. Alrighty, so we're gonna go back through here. We're gonna check out athletics. So you click on the yellow button, it's gonna take you to the page for athletics. Our athletics department is hosting several camps in sports or in strength and conditioning clinics at each of our high schools. This is for students who will be going into grades 6 through 12 for the next school year. If you have questions about this, feel free to contact the athletic office. Their number is listed here. Or if you scroll down, you can click on this flyer and call one of these schools. Each school is offering something slightly different. So each school has a link here. So if your student is in the Star Spencer area, you can click their flyer, learn about what they're offering by viewing their flyer here. Same with the rest of our high schools. This also requires a sign up. So you can either click this image right here, or you can take a photo of this with your phone and it will pull up this website for you if you're viewing this website from your cell phone. But again, you can also click here. It takes you to a form to fill out, and that lets them know that you're interested in those. Once you filled out that form, someone from that high school will be making contact with you to let you know what's next. Alrighty, so let's go back to our Jump into Summer Learning page. And our last option here underneath this orange button is for our community partners. This is a list of options that are being offered by some of our community partners and other organizations across the city. Each one of these has different dates and times, different activities, and some of them do require a sign up. So if you're interested in this, please make sure that you read the description, visit the website, and make sure you follow their instructions. These camps are a way for our students to participate in something that they're interested in. So there's technology, music, art, and different other activities for our students to enjoy. And again, back to athletics and community partnerships, these 4 organizations are offering activities, camps, workshops for our students, but they are geared toward athletics. So here's some more options. And again, just make sure you click the links that are provided here and it will give you those details. So last, let me cover our summer meal options for you. Those were our 4 options that we're providing for students this summer. If you have questions, please contact your child's school. You can also call the PK through 12 schools office, and their number is 405-587-0049. And someone from that office will be able to support you if your questions come after school has let out for this school year. So curbside meals will be available for all families at these locations. So they have the name of the school and the address here. If you picked up meals anytime throughout this last year, it's going to be the same format. You'll drive up to the designated area, look for the signs, and someone will be there to give you a grab and go lunch option. Breakfast will also be available and lunch, and you can pick up both of those meals at the same time. Just make sure that you pay attention to these dates and times. Those meals will only be served from June 7th through June 25th, and July 6th through July 23rd from 10 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. I'm sorry, 10:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. So just make sure you check that. And that is it for our summer learning. I hope that this video helped you understand a little bit more about our options. Please feel free to navigate our page, click around, check things out, and again, contact your child's school if you have questions, or contact the PK through 12 schools office. And again, their number is 587-0049. Thank you so much.